All right. Hello everyone. My name is Mutusi Sekomba, and I'm going to be taking you on how to create a Wikiquote page. So, firstly, it's the same as you create a page on Wikipedia. So, just go search Wikiquote and then click on the link that you see of Wikiquote. So, as it opens, it will launch you into the main page of Wikiquote. So, this is how the main page of Wikiquote looks like. So when first you want to get here, if you are not logged in, it will give you some options here, either log in or create an account. So since I'm already logged in, there is no need for one. So what you can do, so actually what you do when you get for you to start creating a page on Wikiquote. So actually, let me explain what Wikiquote is in brief for those who do not know and those who are new to Wikiquote. So Wikiquote is a platform where Wikimedians, the volunteers, the editors write codes about the different individuals. And here in particular, we are writing codes about women. That's why we call it it's given a She Said campaign, celebrating inspiring women, one Wikicode entry at a time. Give her a voice. Join hashtag She Said today. So actually, we are writing codes about women, notable women across the world, be it in Botswana or anywhere in the world. So this one is not channeled into certain region or certain category. We are writing quotes about that have been said by notable women across the world. So here's how it goes. How it goes. Firstly, if you're having someone in mind, e le gore o batla go kwala ka ga ena, first you tshwanetse go mo check. You have to search and check gore is that individual already having a page on Wikiquote. For example, here I wanna write about Pato Kilisitse. So I'm just gonna go search. She's a Motswana though. I'm just gonna go search Pato Kilisitse. By the way, Wikiquote is very sensitive to text. It's very sensitive to text. Undoubtedly capital letters, spacing, and everything. So as you can see, Pato Kilisitse, the page doesn't exist in Wikipedia. So ha e ne e le teng, re ke be re bona the very same name e ke e kwadileng ha yaka e ntse ha yana. Re ke be re e bona ha tlase ha e highlight-ilwe ka bo blue. So se se re supang sa ra gona page e go bidiwang gote Pato Kilisitse mo Wikiquote. So for us to create that page, we click on this red link. It will take us a platform where we now are able to put information and write about Pato. So let's just go right away and click the red link. So as it opens, you will see how the screen changes. Go botlhokwa gore you always can always check and read what's been said. This message here e go bolelela gore you're actually on a page to create on a platform to create a new page about the individual o mo sešitseng. Can read all that. I'm not gonna go through everything. So for you to start, you're gonna have to go to your search engine and search the individual. Thata ebile before o ka check-a mo Wikiquote gore a motho o batlang go kwala ka ene o notable ebile go na le information ka ga ene. You have to check your search engine a bo o check-a gore ke di-website di le kae tse di kwadileng ka ene, a go na le information ka ga ene. So I'm just gonna go here. Because na previously ke searchitse ka Pato Kilisitse and I found that she's very notable. There are a lot of websites tse di buang ka ga ene. So I'm just gonna go paraphrase this and write a intro to Wikidata. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just gonna read Pato Kilisitse, a sustainable development practitioner who advocates for climate justice with a gender lens as a critical development pillar. Alright, I will check any other website e buang ka ga Pato gore ke nne sure gore gone mme Pato is very notable. Pato Kilisitse is a climate justice advocate and development practitioner. So you can see gore this PDF here and this article here, they're saying the same thing. So I can be sure enough of the content. By the way, one other thing, when you are looking for information about an individual, you don't go to their personal social media profiles. What you can get from there is only their birth dates, their real names, full names, but not anything much related to uh, information about her besides the basic information. So from here, I'm just gonna go. Let me just copy this and go and edit it that side, paraphrase it there and there. Just gonna say copy, then go back to Wikiquote. When we get to Wikiquote, we're just gonna start creating. First, I'm gonna say bio. We write a bio for publicity. Biography should be biography, right? Write her biography. It's meaning information about part of her introductions and everything, what she does, who she is. So I'm gonna paraphrase this sentence here. Particularly states that climate change justice. Firstly, I'm gonna go highlight this and make it bold. So one thing se ke tshwanetse gore ke se be se le teng ha gore article e nne recognize ebile se ka tloga ya deletiwa within Wikiquote ke gore ke na le matsalo a gagwe, her full name, kwa a nnang teng, gongwe kwa a tsweletsweng teng, just her biography in such a way. Particularly as a climate change justice advocate and development practitioner who advocates for sustainable development with a gendered lens as a critical development pillar. So there's going to be a full stop here. So I'm just gonna so as you can see here, the sentence is a climate justice advocate. Instead of this, I'm going to change this words them to climate activist. Activist. She's a climate change activist and a development practitioner who advocates for sustainable development. I just remove who and say a development practitioner advocating for sustainable development with a gendered lens as a critical development pillar. So one thing about Wikipedia and Wikiquote is that Wikipedia is encyclopedic or Wikiquote le yone is encyclopedic, meaning that whatever we write, we don't try to give the readers an opinion. We don't give opinions, but we educate. We write content that is educational. So, for example, how Balaha with a gendered lens as a critical development pillar. The word critical itself is not encyclopedic because it gives the reader the opinion to make it good looking. Let us check here. We didn't check this, remember. Particularly, she's a climate change advocate. She is the founder of Sustain 267 and the host of Sustain 267 podcast. All right, this podcast aims to blah blah blah, but you're not much interested into that. Can get only this. Can can get this. We'll edit it that side, and maybe something from here. Yes, yes. Let's just go and edit this one. I'm just gonna go paste it. Then She is the founder of Sustain 267 and host of the Sustain 267 podcast. So for us to change this, we can say she is the founder of. So now, guys, I'm going to show you how to add a reference to your text, to your information, so that you can show where you get that information from, so that it could be checked for place, and then say copy. Oh shit! And then say copy, and then come paste it here. Go back to the website, to YouTube, copy the URL, then copy the date of this publication. And that's what year ago. What is the exit date here? So it seems like it doesn't have an exact date, but it's 1 year ago. This which means it's 2022. I'm just gonna go back and say I don't know if I've done this right. I don't know, but let's keep going. When you enter another code, you just go. When you go down, you want to enter another code, you just do this and then enter the code. So that's how simple is Wikiquote, guys. Thank you.